కేంద్ర హోంమంత్రి షిండే మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Bombs in Makkah Masjid in Hyderabad and Dhan Singh was involved in bomb blast in Malegaon. During the interrogation, the accused persons have admitted their roles in 3 undetected sensational old crimes, namely 1. Shooting and injuring a lady nun Leela in Narwar police station of Ujjain MP. 2. Throwing of grenades at mosque in Jammu on 9th January 2004, in which 2 persons had died and 15 others were injured. 3. Firing at SAR Gilani in New Delhi, an acquitted accused of Parliament attack case in November 2005. 4. The killing of Musib Lala, a Pathan in Ujjain MP, and 5th, killing of Ramesh Ninama, a key witness in the murder case of Pyara Singh Ninama of Indore. The sanction amounting to rupees 281 crores for construction of Central Academy for Police Training Bhopal by CPWD Bhopal has been issued on 7th December 2012. The academy would impart a basic training to directly recruited DYSPs and additional SPs of the states and also address the training needs to or the friendly countries. This has been on par with the IPS training that we are giving at Hyderabad, the police academy. On the same line, this academy, this police training school will be trained to direct DYSPs and below the rank. On 14 December 2012, Mujahideen, should I read everything? No, yes. So your time is also not wasted.
We'll have questions, please. Yes.
Sir, शिंदे साहब कल आपने कहा था कि
एक मिनट सर, मैंने इनको बुलाया. 1 मिनट रुकिए जी.
सर
अच्छा,
हाल में जिस तरह से नक्सलियों ने जवानों
ये 1 minute. The few things you see, one, I think this needs to be explained, and then you can put the questions to me. Yesterday I reviewed the law and order situation in Delhi with Delhi Police along with Lieutenant Governor and the officers of Delhi government. I have decided the following, we have decided the following in this regard. 1, you see, as far as the Delhi's, you see, in the background of the rape case was concerned, in that connection, the night patrolling on motorcycle by Delhi police in their jurisdiction of the police station, night patrolling will be done by the officers. One will go to the right direction and the second will come from the left direction. They will meet at the center point and they will report each other what is there any incidents. They will go in the by-lanes also, so that the whole night in that area of the police station, the patrolling will be done by the police. B, Mahila help desk in each police station. It will be given a cell number and a telephone number of Mahila help desk to be notified in all schools and colleges in the area of police stations. You see, there will be a specific officer will be deputed and that officer's number will be given and that will be informed to all the principals of the schools and the principals of the colleges, and they will be requested to put on the notice board so that every student and the girls, they can know where to complain in the police officer and which officer is specifically nominated to take cognizance. The committee at each police station level to be constituted involving the defense, civil defense personnel, home guards, ex-servicemen and women NGOs, so that the issues relating to public, particularly women, are brought before the police officers in a more more interactive manner. They can also include, whoever they want to include in the police station. This committee will be appointed at every police station. Yeah, this must be only yesterday's meeting, as I have specifically mentioned that I will brief my colleague press people. I had assured yesterday, and today I am briefing this.
सर, नक्सलियों ने नया तरीका इजाद कर लिया है। जिस तरह से लातेहार में जो जवान है उनके शव में आईडी छिपा के जिस तरह से विस्फोट किया गया और जवान मारे गए, इस तरीके से इसको कैसे देख रहे हैं और क्या इससे निपटने की क्या तैयारी है?
नहीं, ये 2-3 दिन पहले ये इंसिडेंस हो गया था। जैसे कि हम बॉडी देखने चले गए थे, ढूंढने, जंगल है वो और हिली एरिया है, वहां बॉडी देखने गए थे तो वहां देखते वक्त विस्फोट हो गया, क्योंकि उनके एक के तो लपेटे हुए थे वहां, उसमें 2-3 सिविलियन का डेथ हो गया और एक तो आइडेंटिफाई हो गया जो मृत्यु पाया था, तो नक्सलाइट, उसके बॉडी पर नक्सलाइट या हमारा ही होगा, वो पूरा मेरे पास डिटेल अभी नहीं आ गए है, उसके पेट में ही आईडी रखा था, लेकिन वो डिटेक्ट हो गया था। जब एक्सरे निकाला तभी पता चला कि ये इस तरह है। ये 10 सीआरपीएफ के लोग वहां कैजुअलिटी हो गई है, 3 सिविलियन हैं और 8 नक्सलाइट्स है।
शिंदे साहब, ये तरीका नया है उनका और इससे ये कितना चिंता का विषय है और इससे निपटने की क्या योजना होगी, क्योंकि ये नया तरीका उनका है।
ये तो नए तरीका अपनाते रहते हैं, नई स्ट्रैटेजी लगाते रहते हैं। हमने पूरे इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिए हैं, वो पूरा बंदोबस्त हम कर रहे हैं।
यस रमन।
शिंदे साहब, कल आपने दिल्ली की सुरक्षा को लेकर रिव्यू मीटिंग किया था, आपने कहा था कि आज कुछ ऐलान कर सकते हैं, क्या आपके कदम?
मैंने वही ऐलान किया है कि जो
तय करने की बात है, जिम्मेदारी तय की जाएगी पुलिस अधिकारियों पर।
नहीं, वही पुलिस स्टेशन पे जिम्मेदारी वही तय कर रहे हैं कि जो अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं पुलिस ऑफिसर, वो इमीडिएटली कॉग्निजेंस लेंगे और राउंड लेंगे, वहां गश्त डालेंगे, वही जिम्मेदारी।
यस प्लीज, 1 मिनट प्लीज। यस
Sir, 2 quick questions. One, in view of the incident that has happened in Bhengar,
प्लीज टेक द माइक।
Government of India thinking about the visa agreement and whether it is the right time to operationalize a visa agreement. Question number 2, the Delhi police has been putting up notices asking young girls and students to go home straight after college or school so that they are protected.
No, I could not get it. What is it?
Let's go one by one.
Okay.
First question.
The first question is
On the visa agreement with Pakistan, should we operationalize it now in view of the situation that has developed in Bhengar?
Whatever the agreement has been entered into, it will be carried out.
Second question, sir, the Delhi police has been putting up notices across Delhi asking young women to go back home straight after college or school so that they are protected. Is this a way to ensure safety of women?
I do not have such information with me.
Yes, please. Well, 1 minute.
Related question to what he asked now. After this unfortunate incident of killing of 2 of our soldiers, what is your position on AFSPA? It is still pending. Do you still hold the way that it should go?
No, you are talking of CRPF.
No, I'm talking about the 2 army soldiers being killed by the Pakistanis.
It has already been, note has been taken by the External Affairs and the Defense Ministry, so I have nothing to offer on this.
Yes,
sir,
please.
there is also this intelligence that Hafiz Saeed was in the area at LOC across there. Is there any intelligence to prove that he was involved in any way or instigated either the Pakistani army or the
It has been our information, you see, just 4-5 days back, that in POK area, Hafiz Saeed had entered and he had talked with some people.
Yes, please.
आपने ये तो कहा कि आपने समीक्षा बैठक कराई है, ड्यूटी लगा दी है, अकाउंटेबिलिटी की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि जिम्मेदारी के संग वो मौके पर रहेंगे, काम करेंगे, नहीं काम करेंगे तो क्या उन्हें पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, क्योंकि आप आदेश दे देते हैं, वो आदेश लागू हो, ये बात हम जानना चाह रहे हैं।
इसके लिए मेहरा कमेटी अपॉइंटमेंट की है और मेहरा कमेटी कि मैंने टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस पढ़ के बताया है, वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी जितने भी इंसिडेंसेस हो गए हैं उसके बारे में पूरा वो रिपोर्ट करेंगे और उस पर हम एक्शन लेंगे।
Yes, please. थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाइए आप please.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है।
Okay. Mr. Shinde, you said that visa agreement that has been entered into will be honored. That means on 15 senior citizens part will be operationalized. So there is no rethink that you are going to do.
No, we are not rethinking. Whatever is entered into an agreement, it will be carried out.
Yes, please. Yes.
So, High Court reportedly scolded Delhi police recently for their action on the protesters. So, what is your comment on that, sir?
Yeah, I do not want to express my comment on judiciary.
Yes, Arunima.
So you don't want to express your comment, but the judiciary has asked, why is it that only a Delhi police ACP has been sacked? Why hasn't accountability being fixed at the highest level, at the level of the police commissioner? Your ministry is the nodal ministry for Delhi police. How do you assure that responsibility is being fixed with Delhi police for this brutal gang?
Now, since the matter has been raised in the High Court, it is better not to talk on this subject.
But the police comes under you in case if you like to make anything on your
I think
on your part,
the minister has already answered that question. Yes, Shahid, please.
You just said that Hafiz Saeed was present in POK before the soldiers' killing took place. So do you see a Pak extremist hand in this killing?
I do not have that information, but we will be very keen on getting such information. We are on the line.
Yes, please.
Sir, my question, Sir, my question pertains to the killing of the two army jawans yesterday. You have said that Hafiz Saeed was present in the area. Could you specify what area you're talking about? Because the POK is a huge area.
It is a POK area. It is not the specific area that has been brought it to our notice.
So that means you are indicating that the Pakistan army could have been, these people could also have been there, not the Pakistan army?
That I cannot equate with this. Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah. आपने स्पेशली स्टेटस ऑफ हैदराबाद और कर्नाटक रीजन का जिक्र किया है अपने इस मंथली रिपोर्ट में। आज की तारीख में तेलंगाना राज्य के गठन को लेकर के राजनीतिक
थोड़ा लंबा
नीचे रखिए,
आदत नहीं है ना माइक बोलने की,
थोड़ा दूर रखिए
जी। मैं ये कह रहा था कि तेलंगाना राज्य के गठन को लेकर के आज की तारीख में राजनीतिक और सरकारी स्थिति क्या है?
तेलंगाना के गठन के लिए
जी
मैंने 28 तारीख को ऑल पार्टी को सुन के ले लिया है और 1 महीने में हम बताएंगे ऐसा बताया है, इतना ही बताया है, दिस और दैट वे ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताया।
1 महीने में क्या करेंगे?
बताएंगे निर्णय।
Sir, in West Bengal, major political clashes and violence are going on. Yesterday, Governor of West Bengal, Mr. Narayanan, has said that the Gundaraj is going on in each state. So, your reaction, sir? Is there any?
It is a state subject, you see, and it is happening in the state. It is better that the central government not to get involved in such things.
Just 1 minute. There was a question here also. Okay.
Yes, my friend from Telangana, yes.
Is there any further discussions to be held, including Chintan Sivil, about Telangana issue?
No, at the moment there is nothing. If some people are writing to me what to do, what not to do, yes, it is my duty till, you see, the 1 month completes, you see, that I will have to get all the information concerned and work on it.
So after 1 month, sir, after 1 month, you will take a clear-cut decision whether Telangana will be formed or not.
हाँ, तो 28 को बताएंगे ना, 28 की 1 महीने का टाइम तो दिया है।
I'm just.
Sir, has West Bengal governor sent any report to you regarding West Bengal clashes in West Bengal?
No, so far no.
Yes, please.
झारखंड को लेकर के कुछ डिसीजन हुआ है कि नहीं?
झारखंड का प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट आ गया है। The governor has to have some time, you see, to wait for the constitutional provision, and then he will submit report.
1 minute.
My question relates to Northeast. You have ceasefire agreement with Alpha, NDFB and HNLC, yet you have extended the ban on them for another 2 years. Any particular reasons?
Yet,
You have extended the ban on these outfits by another 2 years under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act.
You have the ceasefire agreement, but you have still extended the ban for 2 years. Is there any
Yeah, that I have already issued orders that is in existence.
Any particular reason?
See, that there cannot be said any particular reason. Reason is known to everyone that for many years it has been extended, and further it has been extended till the peace is brought to the existence.
Sir, the legislators from Nagaland had approached you, all 60 of them, and told you that the election should not be held, the solution should come first. Are you considering precedence rule for Nagaland, or elections will be held on time?
You see, the matter is under consideration. We have to discuss till their representatives, and they themselves are coming. If one or two people from the involved, you see, for the total agreement, they are also coming to me. And once that matter is settled, you see, this can be settled permanently.
Will there be any escalation in Latehar as far as Maoists are concerned? And second, we spoke to a lot of Maoist sympathizers today also. They were saying bullet for bullet is no strategy as such. In the long term, we'll have to...
That we have been telling, government has been telling for a very long time. It's not a reply to bullet for bullet. We are interested in giving, you see, the socio-economic help to them, and still we are ready. We do not want to see such type of thing. We need to have peace, and for that we have, recently we have appointed an advisor, one who was DGP CRPF. Now we have appointed him as a as an advisor, and he has been given a task of security and also development work together to go into this.
बजट सेशन के पहले अफजल गुरु के मामले में क्या फैसले की उम्मीद की जानी चाहिए? मेरा 2 सवाल है. इसके बाद
दिल्ली, लेट्स गो वन बाय वन.
देखिए, ये केसेस मेरे पास आ गए हैं. ये मैं तो चाहता था कि जल्द से जल्द उस पर चिंतन करके, उस पर स्टडी करके फिर वापिस प्रेसिडेंट साहब के पास भेज दे. लेकिन इसके बीच में रेप केसेस वगैरह हो गई है, उसमें मेरा काफी वक्त चले गया है. मैं अभी निर्णय उस पर लूंगा, एक जरा डिटेल में जाना पड़ेगा. जब देश के राष्ट्रपति जी ने मेरे पास दोबारा भेजा है, तो इसका मतलब यह है कि मैं फिर उसके गहराई में जाऊं और गहराई में जाके उस पर स्टडी करके मेरा जो भी कुछ रिकमेंडेशन है फिर दे. ये उनको चाहते हैं, हम वो देख रहे हैं.
मेरा दूसरा सवाल दिल्ली के पुलिस महकमे से है. ये ऐसी किसी भी लेवल पे कंटेम्पलेशन है क्या कि महिला पुलिस अधिकारी को दिल्ली पुलिस कमिश्नर नीरज कुमार की जगह पे लाया जाए? देवल जैसे एक मैसेज
हमने, देखिए, स्पीकर साहिबान ने वो दिन डायरेक्शन दे दी थी कि वहां एक जॉइंट कमिश्नर लेवल की एक अधिकारी कमिश्नरेट में बैठना चाहिए. वो निर्णय ले लिया था, वो वहां बैठी है. और अभी मैंने बीच में कहा था कि हर पुलिस स्टेशन में 1-2 पुलिस ऑफिसर रहेगी, महिला पुलिस ऑफिसर, और 10 कांस्टेबल. उसके लिए मैंने अप्रूवल भी भेजा है, वो फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री में है. जल्द से जल्द उसका क्लियरेंस आ जाए. मैंने बताया है पुलिस कमिश्नर के वहां एडिशनल कमिश्नर या जॉइंट कमिश्नर के लेवल के महिला अधिकारी को डिप्यूट किया.
सर, आपके इस नोट में लिखा है कि 20 से 26 तारीख तक हमारी एक टीम ने पाकिस्तान गए थे 26/11 के सिलसिले में जुडिशियल कमीशन के टर्म्स ऑफ रेफरेंस के लिए. इस तरह की खबरें आई थी कि पाकिस्तानी सुरक्षा एजेंसियों ने कुछ इंडिकेशन दिए हैं कि हाफिज सईद के खिलाफ तो नहीं, लेकिन बाकी कुछ सबूत उन्होंने इकट्ठे किए हैं वॉइस सैंपल्स को लेके और दूसरे सैंपल. आपको लगता है कि उस दिशा में कोई पॉजिटिव कदम पाकिस्तानी एजेंसियों की तरफ से दिखाया गया?
मुझे बहुत पॉजिटिव कदम लगता है. इसी के लिए हमने ये टीम में महाराष्ट्र के जिसने ये कसाब की केस चलाए थे, वो उज्ज्वल निकम जी को मैंने टीम में इंक्लूड कर भेजा था. फर्स्ट टाइम और इसी के लिए भेजा था कि लीगल ऑफिसर वो जाए कि उनको क्या क्या चाहिए वो बताए, क्योंकि ये दोनों तरफ से होने वाला है। जैसे वो हमारे पास आएंगे, हम भी उनके पास जाने वाले।